So global warming is the gradual increase of the Earth's atmosphere correlated with the increase in greenhouse gas emissions. So each biome of the Earth is experiencing a distinctive consequence from climate change, like ocean acidification, flooding of coastal communities, or loss of biodiversity. And here in the Midwest, climate change is endangering certain species of animals, like my friend the gray wolf here, which can induce broader implications for the entire country and the extinction of my friend the gray wolf.
Climate change is exponentially warming the atmosphere, producing new climate patterns such as unpredictable rainfall, longer growing seasons, and intense weather variability, leaving animals to rapidly adapt. In fact, climate velocity is changing on average 0.42 kilometers each year. Many animals are unequipped to adapt at the rate expected, so when food resources are unavailable, endangerment can occur.
As mentioned earlier, climate velocity has a great ability to displace animals from their natural habitat. And in grasslands and lower altitude areas, this is much more prevalent than it is in mountainous regions. And this means that in the Midwest, it's a bigger issue. And animals don't have an easy time adapting, especially slow-moving animals or even faster-moving animals that are blocked by man-made objects such as buildings or parks and something like that.
The loss of biodiversity is hugely attributed to climate change. Anthropogenic climate change is occurring as a result of carbon dioxide emissions and other greenhouse gases, which are in turn warming the planet. Carbon dioxide, a natural insulator, remains in the atmosphere for up to 100 years before it is destroyed. But this process is catalyzed through human industries releasing massive amounts of pollutants at a time.
Climate change is important for a number of reasons. It has severe impact on agriculture industries. Pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, which are crucial to the growth of crops, were influenced by climate change. Without these creatures, large amount of food would be gone. Although we have not reached that point yet, it is important to take steps to reverse the already noticeable effects before it is too late.
Displacement of animals due to the warming of specific biomes creates large issues not only for those creatures but also for those in other habitats. For example, new predators or other invasive species may be introduced, disrupting the current flow of life in that area. And for animals unable to move from one environment to another, there's an even greater risk of extinction, as they have no place to go and must either adapt to the rapidly changing environment or perish.
Even with ample evidence, there are still many climate change skeptics. And even for those who do believe, there's just not enough being done to change climate change. Climate change in the Midwest not only affects the entire region, but the great United States as a whole. And only you can prevent climate change.